G'day guys, just wanted to give you a quick update on the out there and back mount that I'd used to mount my mobile phone with. Now, on a previous video, which is just up here, I went through the installation and review of both these mounts. I wasn't 100% happy with the mount that the mobile phone was connecting to. Now, I sort of bastardized it and I pinched it off a windscreen mount from a Quadlock windscreen mount. Anyway, it kept moving about and I couldn't get a nice solid sort of connection. So I jumped over to Quadlock and had a look to see if they actually had anything that would be suitable. And I came across the 360 mount and the 360 lever head that you can buy from Out There and Back. And it turns out the mount is 100% compatible with the Out There and Back bracket. So the holes line up absolutely perfect. So all you need to do is just jump over to quadlock.com.au, I think it is. Grab those two pieces. What I'll do is I'll put the links in the description below for you. I'm not affiliated with them or anything, but I just want to help you guys out. And also what you want to do is just go to Bunnings and grab yourself some M5 12mm countersunk head screws with bolts on the back, and they fit absolutely perfect. So it turns out that you can just click your phone in like that, and it is super solid. Like, I've been over some corrugated roads and all that sort of stuff, and that phone is absolutely rock solid. One thing I really like about it as well is that when you're using the iPhone, I don't know about Android phones, but when you're using the Google Maps and whatever, the phone tends to get quite hot. Obviously using data and GPS and all that, having the windscreen, the aircon mount right where the phone is, keeps the phone nice and cool, and I don't find that I get any sort of freeze up issues or anything with my phone, so that's another bonus. Anyway guys, I hope you've enjoyed, and you've got something out of it and it's helped you guys out. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Cheers guys.